Here's a case in point. Bob, the business owner, made $20,000 in profit for the financial year. Under the previous system, Bob would need to pay $5,000 in tax on his $20,000 of profit. So $5,000 in tax because he pays tax at 25%. So that's where how that tax is calculated. However, he uses these profits instead to purchase a $20,000 vehicle for his business. So before 30 June 2025, he decided, hey, I'm going to buy a car, and he got the keys before 30 June. Using the instant asset write-off, he can deduct the 20 grand vehicle in full, but then the profit on the business is reduced to zero. By purchasing the vehicle and claiming it under the instant asset write-off, Bob has just saved himself $5,000 in tax. So basically, what that means is essentially because the instant asset works on a per asset basis, Bob can do this multiple times before 30 June. What also you can look at is you don't have to pay for this outright in cash. If Bob paid for that vehicle with finance, so he took out a car loan, same rules apply. He's got the car, and means that you actually have a bit more cash because you're not outlaying all that cash at once, and you're saving the 5 grand in cash up front because you're not having to pay the tax on it. That's how this instant asset write-off really works and really can jumpstart your business if planned accordingly with your cash flow. Remember, the asset must be installed and ready for use by June 30. Luckily enough, you've got a whole year to plan ahead, so that's really one of the good things. Be aware of asset availability and potential waitlisting. One of your more unique things is if you have to have a wait list on the asset, will you get it done in time? Do you need to organize finance? And avoid the June installation crunch time. Obviously, we're sort of past that June installation crunch time because there's only a couple of days left in the financial year. However, next year, let's just say you get closer towards the end of financial year and you decide to use it, make sure you plan accordingly because there's nothing worse than trying to go for finance in June and your broker is completely busy because you've got 100 other people trying to buy an asset before 30 June. You really want to plan ahead. Remember, get advice from an accountant so we can offer any free initial consultations to help you to get you started.